Hello, do you want to know how to make candy like this, and this, and this, and this, and this? You do? Well, then you're in luck. Because in this tutorial, I'll be showing you not only how to make candy with bracelets, collars, cuffs, whatever, I'll also be showing you how to gear up your ESSAs and make gear for them. I will be gearing up and making accessories for Harpy. Oh. We'll be theming her after green, so we'll be using this bunch of green beads. You will need to get a few beads of whatever color you want. You can make the same color or not. I'll be doing a pattern. You'll need string. You can use white or black string, whichever color you'd like. And you will also need a pair of scissors. You will start by getting some string from the color of your choosing and pulling out about as much as you'll need. I recommend like a few inches, I guess, for what we're making. So yeah. After you do that, you'll just get your scissors and cut. You're going to put both ends of your string together and kind of rub it down and flatten it out, untangle if you can, to get straight to the middle. This will help you know what place to put your beads when you get to that. Now, put 4 beads and slide them down a little ways on here. You can do whichever side of the string that you want and whichever amount of beads, but I'll be doing this demonstration with 4 because it's thick, you can see it, and it's not too complicated. Now, you're going to hold both ends of your string with your beads being down here, and you were going to kind of push them down to the middle, which you've created prior. You're going to get another row of 4 beads and put it on a little on the same end, preferably. Then, you will take, let me find it here, you'll take your other end and you're going to slide it through the beads while keeping them on the same string. It's a bit difficult to do it one-handed. And then you're just going to pull that through. So you have an end on each side of the beads. And then now that you have an end on each side, you're going to grab each of these like this. So I have one end, and with my other hand, I'm recording, but I would get that end with the other hand, and you pull them opposite to each other. Alright, so it'll look like this as you get towards the end. And then you'll grab each end as you've been pulling, and you do this. And it connects just like this. And then you just keep repeating that and repeating that. Something to always check for is each end, when you've already looped it through the beads, they should always be on the opposite side. So there's an end here, and there's an end here. Now, if they're the same, it will not work, because you have to pull opposite, like that. A better demonstration of this would be me with the beads just on one of the ends, and then taking this little wire through it, do every single bead. So now, they are on opposite ends. So I would grab the ends, and start tugging in opposite directions, and you'll see how it slowly starts to pull it towards the last round. And then you tug. And those are the basics on how to make this. Here it is on Harpy. Now, you can make these for your wrist size or whatever. You can make them as thick as you want. And depending on how many beads you pull out, I only did 4. But for instance, this one, I followed the same thing. I did 5. And this is a cuff for me. See? It's a tiny bit loose, but it fits pretty well. And it actually matches Zephyr. So if you ever want to make something like that, that's how you do it. That's the basic ladder stitch.